once again, this is Yardie's Kitchen, and today we will be doing one of our original Jamaican favorites, but we're gonna, as usual, step it up a little bit. I don't know if many persons are used to this food item, macaroni. Not a lot of people know it, especially in a foreign. I notice I see it a lot in foreign. But we're gonna do macaroni this evening. It's a pasta, and it's little slender tubes, and it have a little hole inside it. And we're gonna do it up this evening with some saltfish. What them calls saltfish. This a pollock, but a normally cod we use. Where not go? Normally cod we use. All right. So this is boned salted pollock or whatever them call it. The boneless one this come in the whole heap of bone thing. But I put some coconut milk in it and them seasoning here. 2 tomato, half an onion, parsley for make it look foreignish. Scallion. And yeah, we just have to cook down the something. It's a 1-pot meal, classic 1-pot meal. I'm gonna add some surprises at the end. And we'll see how it goes. So the first thing we're going to do is, in this pot of boiling water, we're going to wash our cod. I'm going to wash out the excess salt. Yeah, in this pot of water, we're going to add this 2 pieces of cod and just get them desalted, if there's such a word. So we're just going to get the salt off of that, and then we're going to put the pasta on to cook. Now we're going to put the macaroni in the pot, all right? And see how them stay? Long, and it come with a tube. So I use the whole item. I try to make it as whole as possible. You understand? So that the pasta work nice with it. You understand? So as I said, once it hits the hot water, it starts to become pliable and you can press it down, you know. But I'm gonna make this boil. I'm not gonna use any salt, obviously, for obvious reasons. We're doing saltfish, and as soon as this gets to al dente or tender, then we're good to go, right? Okay, so now we are ready to assemble our dish. I have over here, I have the pasta all done. Whenever I want to move my camera in a chat. And now I'm gonna start with the, assembling the 1-potish type of something. Alright, so I have some oil in the pot hot, and I'm gonna add to that, I'm gonna add some garlic. And don't judge me on the garlic. To that, I'm gonna add the surprise of the day. Which is 1 pound of tiny shrimp. Yes, small. Me using the small shrimp. And now I use the big shrimp. And I'm not gonna let this go too long in the oil because it's already cooked, and the longer it stays in there, the tougher it's gonna get. I'm gonna add the saltfish. Alright, so watch me now. Saltfish added. Or the salted cod. And as I said, I'm not gonna let it stay too long. We're just gonna build on the flavors now. So just give this a stir. And I'm turning back my heat up a little bit more. And I'm gonna start to build on the flavors. I'm gonna add some thyme or thyme. Caribbean people say thyme. At least Jamaican people say so. Not Caribbean. Caribbean people them twang. Jamaican people them just talk. See that? That's nice. That's what I want to get there. All right, we're gonna put some onions in. You can smell it, see? What about the foreigner? What the foreigner say? All right, may I get props already, folks. Say it smell good. Now we're gonna make this meal into something special. All right, I promise you that. All right, and it's just to go and build on flavors. You see me? So what am I gonna do now? We have some peas and carrots, frozen peas and carrots that we're gonna add. You notice how the frozen peas and carrot them always have more carrot than peas? Them take people feed yet. Them should have said frozen carrot with little peas. The carrot better than the peas? That's the way you say. Alright, now I'm gonna start to add my little spruce ups. This is some garlic salt, not using a lot of salt. Some lemon pepper. And we have some Mrs. Dash in another container here. And then I have some black pepper. I'm gonna put some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper in there too. I'm telling you, folks, if you in my house right now and smelling what's going on around here, your head would have hurt you. Remember. Then the pièce à résistance is my coconut milk. At this stage, all I do now is allow this coconut milk to cook for a little bit, and then I add my pasta or my macaroni. Yeah, authentic one-pot meal this year. You're gonna like it, trust me, you're not gonna like it. So as you can see, I've added my macaroni to the dish, to the pot, and now I'm just a bill, you know, just a simmer. Allow this to simmer. All right. And the last couple of things that I'm gonna add, I'll do that at this time. I'm gonna add some scallions. And my wife said I have to put tomato in there, but me don't know about the tomato.
It should have gone in already if you're gonna put it.
It should have gone in already?
Yeah.
So suppose I want to put it in now. Alright, so I have 2 tomatoes. I wash them and I'm just rough chopping them, or you know, big chop or whatever, and put them in. And then the I put Scotch bonnet pepper. And the very last thing that I'm planning to put is a little parsley. And then eating time. Work is over now, is eating time. Me I go eat the saltfish and eat the macaroni. He or she. Trust me, folks. If you come home and you want to try something different, yeah, just rigs up a pot of macaroni and shrimp with saltfish. And I tell you, say you're gonna like it. There's no two ways about it. You're gonna like it. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. Watch when I plate it. So here we have it, folks. The final analysis. My saltfish and macaroni with some baby shrimps in it and mixed vegetables in it. Well, not mixed vegetables, peas and carrot. I tell you, a one-pot meal never looks so good yet. I know the wifey and the little boy I gotta try, up and eat it off. But may I save my one in the pot. Try this in your neck of the wood, yeah? This is Yardie Belly in a foreign saying peace out.